Adrian!
Come on, guys.
Jude's in the red shirt. Jude had a sorted t-shirt. Hey! I know this child abuse is on.
Yeah, why don't you erase it?
Time to play the sport game.
Jude!
You turn on the sport game. You turn on the sport game.
After we're done with everything. Hey guys! Hi!
But also you turn on the sport game.
Stop whining. Hör zu weinen. Weißt du? Hör auf zu weinen. Sammy, make a funny face. Sammy, look. Hey, over here. Make a funny face. Did they cut your hair today?
Yes, but short.
They did what mommy does, huh?
But I want my hair short.
I don't want it that short. It will grow.
Why?
We need to wash it a lot to make it grow fast, okay?
That's hard.
Hey, Jude! Hi!
I'm trying to turn on the sport game. Right?
Jude! Jude! Ow, ouch! You just stepped on my foot, kiddo! What do you say? What do you say?
Cheese.
No, you stepped on my foot. What do you say?
What did I say?
You stepped on my foot. You hurt me. What do you say?
I say Diddy.
No, when you hurt somebody, what do you say? Mommy, you gave mommy boo-boo.
Give mommy boo-boo.
No, you... Whatever. Sam, you stepped on mommy's foot, and mommy has a boo-boo on her foot because you stepped on it. You need to say...
Sorry.
All right.
Sorry. When you turn on the